Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can resolve your problem. Problem is that your billing problem on the App Store. So when you just try to just purchasing something in your App Store and you see that they're saying that you have to fix your billing problem and just have to just type a password and just like that pop up on the screen. So how you can resolve that issue in your iPhone and your iPad? Simply just follow the steps to fix your issue. Simply just go to your settings of your iPhone and to have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that you just have to just disconnect the VPN from here. Simply just go to the general section and just scroll it down and just go to the VPN and device management, and here you just disconnect VPN from here. After that, simply just go to the transfer or reset iPhone, and here you just have to reset your all the network settings. So it's reset the all the network settings. Just have to just tap or reset network settings, and you reset the network settings from your iPhone. And also you have to just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. After that, simply just go back and just go to the privacy and security section. Just tap on that and just scroll it down and just go to the location and services. You see that there's an option on the front, and just scroll it down and just go to the system services, and again scroll it down and you see that there is an option of a significant locations. So make sure that it's turn it on and it's not always off. You make sure that it's turned on. So many users face issue because their significant